Bachelor's in Civil Engineering from Ambedkar Institute of Technology. As I'm from Civil Engineering, one of my friend recommended me Jspiders to get trained as a backend developer. So I choose Java Kickstart course here, and all the trainers helped me a lot to enhance my technical skill. Especially Python sir on the OOPS concept, and Uday sir on the collection framework concept, and Vivekananda sir on JDBC Hibernate as well as Spring Boot concept. And trainers are very supportive, and they helped me a lot to get placed in Jspiders. And all the HRs here are very supportive and guided me through out my journey in the Jspiders. And the interview process was smooth, and I had only 2 rounds. The one is technical round, in which they asked the questions on the concept such as core Java and the advanced Java concepts. And the second round was HR, which usually based on general questions. And I'd also thank all the trainers and HRs who have been very supportive and guided all the students throughout their journey. Thank you.